Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit image in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button if you haven't already, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Editing images in Droyo is a great way to integrate visuals into your diagrams. Alright, so once you open the Droyo via the website or the desktop application, I'm going to add in an image here by pressing the file. You can choose from any of the following options where you want to import the image here on the canvas. You can use the Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, and GitLab, but I'm going to use the browser instead. Now, once the image has been added, all right, one of the easiest way for you to edit is basically using the crop factor here. All right, you can resize the image to position it accordingly as part of your diagram to make it interactive. That's one way. All right, now knowing that, another option that you can do is go to the diagram and go to the position. You can put in the bottom, top left, top, writing direction is automatic, and the font color could be here, and the background color could be different color. If you want to add, say for example, light blue, click that. And in terms of the border color, you can choose any of the following. All right, for example, put in that here. You could also put in the shadow for your image. Here, it's very easy. All right. Now, if you right click on it, there should be an option that says edit style right here. All right. Click on apply. You would have that option for you. All right. And then go to the edit data. If you want to edit the property name, for example, this, click on add property. Click on apply. All right. And edit the link. You also have an option here where you can edit the link, drag URLs here, and open a new window. All right. If you right click on edit the image, you would be having an option here wherein you can change the URL, you can open, you can crop, and you can apply that section here. All right. So these are going to be some of your options to edit the image. Not only that, you also have an option to, for example, edit the connection points. All right. You can put in right and click on apply. You can zoom in to make sure that the connection points are here correctly. You also have an option to edit this by pressing the, you see the rotate button. If you do that, you would be able to rotate your image in full 360 degree. All right. You can reposition, make a copy of it, drag the corner, hold shift to drag to maintain the aspect ratio. It's very easy. Now, you can also copy this by pressing Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to paste it. All right. To do that, you can simply rotate the file again, making a mirror effect for your image. All right. You see that? And once you're happy, you can simply click the save button or click the share option to share it with your team members and of course with your client. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.